If you're a Maverick X3 enthusiast looking for a boost in protection and comfort, a windshield could be exactly what you're after.
That said, it's important to find the ideal model for the places you ride in your riding style. So we're here with a crash course to make this decision easy for you. Starting off with an especially popular choice for dusty rides and wet conditions, we have Can-Am's windshield with a wiper and washer kit. Made to minimize mud, dirt, or rain that could obscure your view, this setup is available with either a glass or hard-coated polycarbonate windshield.
Normally, you can't use a wiper on polycarbonate or you'll end up with scratches. But Can-Am's version features a premium coating that makes your windshield scratch resistant. So wipers work great with both options.
All in all, we're looking at a winning combo for messy environments and serious adventures. And moving on to an option for riders that live to shred sandy dunes and explore dusty deserts, we have the Maverick X3 Pro Vent windshield. This model was made to keep dust and dirt out of your vehicle while preserving airflow and making sure both rider and passenger get to enjoy their ride in maximum comfort.
Made to respond to changing conditions, the Pro Vent windshield includes 2 filter vents you can open and close as you need to. This popular option was also built for longevity and extra peace of mind with quantum coating and impact-resistant construction.
Next up, we have another option that's great for the changing conditions that come with outdoor adventures, the Power Flip windshield. This model allows you to quickly and easily adjust airflow and protection for your comfort, making it especially effective for riders who spend a lot of time navigating dust and wind in the desert.
Just hit the switch located between the seats and you'll have instant access to the levels of airflow and protection you want. No handle, no hassle. You can open it at any angle to get that wide open feel. Or you can close the windshield all the way down for maximum protection from the elements, making it fully sealed with the cage of your vehicle.
Last but not least, we're jumping into the standard, tried and trusted windshields for our Maverick X3 riders. Available in half and full length, these shields are super clear and ultra durable thanks to the high impact resistant polycarbonate we've used to make them. If you want to preserve that wide open feeling, but also want to amp up your protection from the elements, the half windshield is the one for you.
On the other hand, if you want to maximize protection and you rarely ride in wet conditions where wipers might be required, the full windshield will protect you and your passengers from debris, wind, and dust. And to go the extra mile, you might want to add a rear window to your ride. This panel will limit backdraft created by the low pressure in the cab area. This means less sand and dust getting sucked into your vehicle, which also means less cleanup and a much more comfortable ride.
Well, I think this breakdown has made one thing abundantly clear. Picking your off-road windshield is all about your riding style and what you plan on putting your Can-Am Maverick through.
Let us know what products you'd like to see next in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to stay in the off-road loop. Have fun out there, and we'll catch you soon.